Here we are at the shape station, friends. Can you see all these different shapes? Let's name them together. This round one is a circle, that's right. And this one with 4 equal sides is a square. Wow, you're so smart. Now let's try to match these shapes. Can you help me find another triangle? Great job, you're amazing at shapes. Now let's move on to the color station. Oh boy, look at all these beautiful colors. Can you name some colors you see? Red, blue, yellow. You got it. Let's sort these colorful balls into the right buckets. Can you find all the green ones? Yay, you did it. You're so good at identifying colors. I'm having so much fun learning with you. Friends, it's time for some puzzle fun. Look at all these cool puzzles. Let's work together to solve them. Can you help me find the piece that fits here? Awesome job. We make such a great team. Remember, it's okay if we don't get it right the first time. We can always try again. That's how we learn and get better. Wow, solving puzzles is making me think of some new words. Let's learn them together. This big puzzle we just finished is called a jigsaw. Can you say jigsaw? Great. And when we fit the pieces together, we assemble the puzzle. Can you repeat assemble? You're doing amazing. Learning new words is so much fun, isn't it?